Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to collapse a div in HTML, the easy way. Let's get right into it. First, we are going to write instead of a div. It looks like a div, but it's not actually a div. So, we put details. That's a tag that we are going to use in HTML. Then, we are going to put summary. Very easy, only that. Right? Now, I'm going to show you the summary. Could be something like a title, a summary, right? Or a legend for an image, as an example. While what's outside the summary but inside the details would be the content, description, and go on, right? So let me just open the live server. In here you can already see it's working. It appears like that little arrow pointing to the right. Yes, I know. I will show you in a minute some things that you can do to make it better, right? So the first thing it's a block. It's a display block. So if you click in here in the other part of the screen that's in the line, it will actually see that you want to open it. So one thing that you can do is opening the details, and in the details you can put something like display inline. With that you can only open it from the text or from arrow. You cannot do it from here as you were doing before. Other thing, the cursor pointer. Something that you can want to do is putting the cursor pointer when you hover this. Why? Because that way the user will understand even better, even faster, that he can open it. One last thing, I'm not sure if it's possible. If you know, leave in the comments to remove this little arrow. The text decoration doesn't work properly. I put none, but it doesn't change anything, right? You maybe know somehow to do it, right? So thank you guys. Click in this video around here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you soon.